In this video, I'm going to show you how to make a bed. Keep watching. I am happy to say that I have partnered with American Pillowcase to bring you this video on how to make a bed. I received this sheet set in the mail and I am so excited to use it. So let's get it started. Now the first thing we're going to do is throw these in the wash. And you probably should always wash new bedding when you get it, just because it's packaged with different kinds of plastics and things like that. And sometimes the odors from the packing materials are absorbed into the bedding materials. And then there are those people who are hypersensitive and they really need to have any chemicals or any finishing agents like the starch or the sizing that they put on the sheets to keep them wrinkle-free and packaging. Sometimes people need to have all of that out before they actually sleep on the sheets. So it's probably a good idea to throw it in the wash before you put it on the bed. I'm going to wash these sheets on the bulky bedding cycle using warm water. And I'm going to put 1 cup of baking soda in the detergent bin instead of using any other kind of laundry detergent. The baking soda just freshens them up. If there's any residual odors or anything like that left from packing or that might have transferred from the packing materials, the baking soda will take care of that. And it will also soften them up as well. And then I'm going to put a 1/2 cup of vinegar in the fabric softener cycle. So now I'm going to throw these in the wash. And when they come out, I'll get them on the bed. The sheets are out of the wash, so now I'm going to get the bed made. And I've already got my mattress pad on. So I'm going to start with the fitted sheet. Now let's get the top sheet on. And we're going to pull the sheet right to the top of the bed. And I want to try and make sure it's even on both sides of the bed. Then I'm going to tuck this bottom sheet under, pull it straight out, and then tuck this part under, like that. And then I'll do the same thing on this side. Now I'll get my coverlet on the bed. Again, I try to get it even on both sides. Now I'm going to pull the coverlet down about 1/4 to 1/3 way down. And then I'm going to fold it back on top of itself. Then I'm going to pull the sheet over that. And just tuck it under. Make a nice little cuff. Now it's time to get the pillowcases on the pillows. And these are our sleeping pillows. These pillowcases feel nice and soft. There's like a little sheen to them. And this is a queen size set, so the pillowcases are nice and large. They're big enough to fit these pillows, which is a nice plus. Now we'll get the pillows on the bed. And that's how you make a bed. Let me once again thank American Pillowcase for partnering with me on this video on how to make a bed. So now let me tell you just a little bit about the sheets that I use to put on the bed. They are brushed microfiber premium bed sheets. And when I put them on, actually when I took them out of the dryer, I just felt like they felt just kind of smooth, kind of slick. And my first thought was silk. And then when I look at the information that accompanies the packet, it says wrinkle-free and smooth as silk. And that was my thought, was that, it feels like silk. They did come out of the dryer wrinkle-free. And the elastic band around the fitted sheet was very nice. The fitted sheet pocket was very deep. It went over my mattress without any problem, and I actually had a little bit of room to spare. So if they should shrink at all in the next couple of washings, I've still got plenty of room for them to fit this mattress. Now, according to the information, it says they're breathable and cooling. So they're supposed to be cooling in the summer and warm in the winter. Wrinkle-free, and as I said, smooth as silk. And they are extra soft. That was one of the things that I noticed when I took them out of the packet, was how soft they were. And then when I took them out of the wash, or shall I say out of the dryer, they were even softer. So I really like that about them as well. As far as easy care, you just give them a wash in warm water with mild detergent, so there's nothing special you have to do there. Haven't slept on them yet because this is my first look at them, but we'll see how things go as time goes on. And now that I've shown you how to make a bed, let me show you how I'm going to keep these white sheets white. I've got a video where I've done how to keep white shirts white, and I will do the same things to the sheets that I do to the white shirts. So I will link that video above with an iCard and in the description box below. And my question for you is, what are your home keeping dilemmas? Tell me that in the comment section below. And let me take this opportunity to invite you to join my private Facebook group, Traditional Homemakers. In that group, we can talk about all things homemaking, cooking, cleaning, laundry, whatever related to homekeeping or homemaking, housekeeping or homemaking, we can chat about it. And just so you know, I've raised 3 children and I've managed a home for more than 45 years. So if you want to learn more about making and keeping a home, subscribe. I can teach you how to be a traditional homemaker in an untraditional world. In the meantime, this is Denise Jordan saying, you are not done yet. Click on the link in the comment section below and check out my video on how to keep white shirts white and a tack ring around the collar. I'll see you next time.